Try.
Okay, thank you.
This is great, isn't it?
See, the water comes over that, as long as it doesn't come over our part.
Of this river, Martha.
Martha.
Martha
Braie. Gotcha.
That's the name of the river. It is two big springs coming out of the mountains. Sorry. And so it's winding, it's going into the sea. In it, there are many fishes.
Are there?
Moment, I can talk to you. Moment. It's that way. It comes this way. It goes that way. In the olden days, you have to take out the corners of the river. The more straighter you make the canal. Sorry, don't fall, man. Don't fall.
Look at a little crab there, look.
You would have to have traps. Because like a crayfish doesn't buy. Nothing for you this morning. 30 years, nothing for you this morning. And watch it again, yeah. Nothing for you this morning. Nothing, no rocks for you this is not factory. That's from in the 18th century. In the olden days, no electricity. So they used the river as power. Sorry, here goes the stuff, look. Look up. That truck there, look. See the truck? That's what takes the raft now. Sorry, if you look over again here, look. Oak for raft, to decorate the clubs, fences, little cups.
Houses?
Who owns the cattle?
People all over the place.
Who owns them?
And like you could have 2, 3 cows.
Yeah.
Me have 2. But you see like that one is dangerous. Maybe he got away, but he's looking for, sorry. Look. They'll take the sugar down. You made it in the factory. You use the water as power.
Yeah.
Which the water spins the mill. That crushes the cane for the grinding of the cane, and then you get the juice, you boil it. And then once you boil it, you put it down the river. Because a raft could be there. You put a next one on top. You can put a raft like 3 layers. And you sink the bottom. Look up in the tree. You get 2 crops per year. 2 crops. But it's just like a potato. You have to cook it all your day. One in the morning for the breakfast. One, all different type of name for them. Believe those are scenery. So see the wall here. See the wall again?
Yeah.
If the river comes that way, it comes this way, it goes that way. In the olden days, you have to take out the corners of the river. The more straighter you make the canal. Sorry, don't fall, man. Don't fall.
Look at a little crab there, look.
As big as your head. See them all up there. Living in the country is cheaper than living in a town. In a town, you have to buy everything. They come down for drinking, so they can come right down. Up in the tree, you see a big nest of termites.
Oh, is it?
But most people let their animals loose now. But see, as you go down, see the hill, all over. They buy a piece of ice. They come down in a nice box. And they're going to sell visitors go down.